Today I am going to solve question number 3 and 4 of activity 1.16. In question number 3, you have been given the sampling rate of an audio and the sampling resolution of audio, and you have been told that two channels will be used to record that audio, and you have to tell the size of one sample in bits, means the size of one sample of 1 second, and then you have to tell the size of 30-second audio. It means that you have to tell the size of 1 second audio in part A, and you have to tell the size of a 30-second audio in part B. Let me try to explain the question first of all. Now this is the sound. This is the sound. The number of samples that can be recorded in 1 second is known as 1 second is known as sampling rate, which is normally 44,100 hertz. It means that almost 44,100 such samples can be recorded in 1 second. And sampling resolution means that the amount of memory that can be used, that will be used to save one sample, and that varies. It can be 8 bits, and if you are going to save a very high quality of sound, it can be more number of bits per sample also. So in our question we have been provided with the information. Now let me start solving it. In answer, you will write the sampling rate first of all. You have been given the sampling rate in kilohertz, which needs to be converted into hertz by multiplying it with 1000, because 1 kilohertz is equal to, because 1 kilohertz is equal to 1000 hertz. So I have multiplied it with 1000. Sampling resolution, the number that is the number of bits that will be used to save one sample is will be 8 bits. Number of channels is 2. In your book, the formula is that is used to calculate sound is for mono sound. This is the formula for mono sound that is given on page number 33 of your book, which the size of one mono sound file is equal to sampling rate into sampling resolution into length of sample. But in the question you have been given a stereo sound. Both questions have both questions have stereo sounds, because two channels will be used for solving both questions. In question number 4 also two channels have been mentioned, so we will have a little bit change in the calculation. So I have copied that formula. The sound of size of one mono sound file is this. So we will in order to calculate one sample, we will multiply sampling rate into resolution into length of sample in seconds. In part A, we have to calculate the length of sample in 1 second, and I have multiplied it by 2. I have multiplied it by 2 because channels are 2. The sound is stereo, the sound is double, not mono, so I have multiplied it by 2. After multiplying everything together, I have got the size of one sample in bits, which is this. Now you have been asked to calculate the size of 30-second recording. So we will multiply this answer of 1 second with 30 to get the answer in bits. Now we have to tell convert the number of bits into bytes, and as you know that 1 byte has 8 bits, so we have divided the bits with bytes to get the answer in this is our answer in bytes. I have already told you that on the table on page number 32 needs to be learnt by heart. 1 megabyte is equal to 1048576 bytes. So we will convert the size of audio from bytes to megabytes by dividing it by 1048576. Now we have got the answer in megabytes, which you have been asked to convert the answer into megabytes in the question. Let me tell you, over here you were supposed to convert it into megabytes. In question number 4, the sound of one, the length of one song is 3 minutes 30 seconds. But you can see that from the formula that is given on page number 33 of your book, you need to convert the length of sample in seconds. So I will convert these 3 minutes 30 seconds to seconds. 3 minutes means 1 minute has 60 seconds, so I will multiply 3 into 360, as you know that 1 minute has 60 seconds. As you know that 1 minute has 60 seconds, so I will multiply 3 into 60 to get the answer in seconds. 3 into 60 is 180, and I will add this 30 to get the answer in seconds. In the formula, you have been asked to mention the sampling rate, which is the number of samples which can be saved, that can be saved in 1 second. The sampling resolution, which is 16 bits, which it is the number of bits that will be used to save one sample. Number of channels is 2, and the formula that is given in your book considers mono sound, but the number of channels is 2. It means that we will multiply all the values with 2 in order to get a stereo the size of stereo sound. So I have multiplied all these values together to get the answer in bits. In order to convert the answer into bytes, I will divide it by 8, as you know that 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Now I am converting these bytes to megabytes by dividing them by 1048576. This is the value that is given on page number 32 of your book, and you need to learn it by heart to convert bytes to megabytes by dividing the given value with 104 by dividing your answer of bytes with 1048576. Now we have got the answer in megabytes. In order to why we have converted the answer in megabytes, because our CD is in megabytes. CD occupies 740 megabytes. So now we have calculated the size of one song, and we will divide it by the size of whole CD in order to get the number of songs that can be saved on that one CD. Thank you.